Inserting word art. Word art option is used to insert decorative and attractive text in a document. It provides different styles of the text which we can apply on our text. Word art option is used to make your text more decorative and attractive in a document. It provides different styles which we can use to make our text more attractive. To insert word art text, we need to follow some steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab and choose the word art option from the text group. As you click on this word art option, you will get the list of the word art styles. You can choose any style whichever you want and you can start writing your text. Let's see how we can insert a word art in document. For this, first click on the Insert tab, go to the text group and word art option. You can click on the drop down. As you click on this drop down, you will get the list of the different word art text styles. You can choose any style whichever you want to apply in your document. As you will click on it, you will get a message, your text here. You can remove this text by pressing the backspace key or the delete key and you can write your own text. As I am writing computer here. Now after it, we can change the color of this text later by selecting the text and after it go to the text fill option and choose the color for it. So color will change of this word art text. You can choose the text outline color by selecting the text outline option. You can choose the color for outline. You can choose the weight, the thickness of the line also, so it will be visible properly. You can see that now the border, that outline color is showing properly. Then you can apply the text effects also on it. You can apply shadow effects, you can apply reflection, glow. You can choose any text effects for your text. Here we are having different commands which we can apply on a word art text. Number 1 is text fill. This command is used to color the text. Text outline. This command is used to changes the width, the line style and the outline color of each character of the word art text. Text effects. This command is used to apply a visual effects to your text. It gives the shadow effects, it gives the different styles on it like 3D effects, reflections, shadow effects, etc. Quick styles. This command is used to change the existing style of the text. Inserting clip arts. Clip art are pictures which is provided by Microsoft. We can insert these clip art pictures in our document. To insert clip art pictures, we need to follow some steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Choose clip art option from illustration group. Step 2. Clip art task pane appears on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Type the name of clip which you want to search in the search box. For example, nature. We want to search the picture on a topic that is nature. So we can write that nature topic in the search box and click on Go button. Many pictures will appear. Step 4. Select any picture of your choice and click on it for inserting in a document. As you can see here how we can insert the clip art. First, go to the Insert tab and choose the clip art option from the illustration group. You will see at the right side a one pane, clip art pane is appears. You can write the topic on which you want to search in the search box. As I have written nature, I want to search on it, so I have written here nature. As you will click on this Go button, you will see the list of the pictures which is available. Whichever picture you want to insert, select the picture, click on the drop down and you will get the option Insert. Click on this Insert option to inserting the picture in your document. Adding watermark. Watermark is a text or image that is shown as a dim imprint behind the text of every page in a document. It is mostly used in important official documents. Watermark is a text which we can show at the behind the text, behind the page, and it's specially used for the official documents. Now we see how we can insert watermark text or image in Word document. For this, click on the Page Layout tab. Go to the Page Background group and select the Word Art option. Here you will get the list of the different word art styles. You can choose any. Or you can create your own watermark also by clicking on the custom watermark option. As you click on this custom watermark option, you will get a one dialog box. In that dialog box, you see no watermark is selected. You can select the picture watermark or you can select the text watermark. For picture watermark, click on the picture watermark option. Click on select picture option. Then choose the picture which you want to use as a watermark in your document. I am selecting this picture, speaker 1, and then click on insert button. After it, click on OK button. In the document, you will see this picture is showing as a watermark. Because as I told you that watermark comes in a dim form, so the picture is very light. Now as we want to insert the text watermark, for this we'll click on the page layout. Watermark, custom watermark option, and now choose the text watermark option from here, because we want to insert the text as a watermark. In the text box of where ASAP is written, you can remove it and you can write your text. I am writing here computer. This text is showing as a watermark in a document. We can change the font style by selecting the font option. You can change the size of it as you want to make it bigger. Automatically it comes as a auto size. You can choose the color. Color is given as a light gray. You can choose accordingly. As I just want this color text in my document. And you can choose a diagonal or horizontal. In the diagonal, the text matter will come in the diagonal form, otherwise it will come in the horizontal way. After clicking diagonal or horizontal, click on OK button. In your document, you will see the text which we have written. It is showing in a very dim form on our screen. This is a watermark which we have inserted here. This is a text watermark. Applying borders. We can apply different types of border on our text or on a page in a document. For this, we click on Home tab, go to the paragraph group, and in that paragraph group you will get the option border. Click on that border and choose the border and shading option. As you click on this border and shading, you will get a one dialog box. In that dialog box you will get three tabs: border, page border and shading. Choose the first one, border. If you want to apply this border on your text, choose the border style, line style, and choose the color format. Then click on OK button. You will see that border which we have selected, it is applied on the text. Now if we want to insert the border in an entire page, so we click on the Home tab, paragraph group, select the border option, then border and shading. From the dialog box, choose the page border option, style, border color, and click on OK button. You will see the page border is applicable on it. Inserting cover page. Cover page is the first page of any document. If we want to design the cover page, so we can click on the Insert tab and select the cover page option. As you will click on this cover page, you will get the different designs of the cover page in the list. You can scroll it and you can see more designs also. Whichever style you want to apply, you can choose from here. As I'm selecting this first one, so this will be applicable on your page. You can write the year, just selecting, type the company name, Sophia. You can write your name here. And you will see that automatically the cover page is ready and you can take a printout of it.